Welcome everyone to Live Good, the new way of doing network marketing. The old, traditional, antiquated way has to go. Bakit? Numbers don't lie. More than 97% fail in traditional network marketing at wala pang 3 months naghahanap na ng malilipatan. Top 4 reason why products are overpriced, mina-markup ng 8 to 10 times more. Para mabayaran ng fuel or top owners, unfortunately, kawawa ang mga consumers, require expensive monthly product, auto ship, or maintenance to earn. Commission ang masaklap, kulang pa ang komisyon na pambili ng monthly maintenance. Abonado ang mga distributors. Requires big team volume para kumita. Walang katapusang pagbebenta ng mga overpriced product. Karamihan, US and Europe-based companies ang gumagawa nito. Marami din dyan ang mga money gains. Karamihan mga Asia-based companies naman ang gumagawa nito. Nakadepende ang earnings potential sa halaga ng package. Multiple account pa ang kinakamada. May flash out na pabor sa mga owners ng company. Lahat ng mga ito sumisira sa real essence ng network marketing. Tingnan po natin ang kaibahan ng Live Good. Una, the products are wholesale, yung mga price or product price comparison ng ilan sa mga top-selling products. Ang Live Good Bioactive Multivitamins, your immune system booster, for only $9.95. Bioactive Multivitamins, your immune system booster, for only $9.95. Ultra Magnesium Complex for only $8.95. Kailangan ng magnesium in more than 300 chemical reactions sa ating katawan. Mahalaga sa pag-maintain ng tamang blood pressure. Kapag bababa ka sa magnesium, prone ka sa risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Super Reds, only $18. Tingnan niyo ang difference price versus other brands. Para magkaroon ng healthy heart, dapat ang diet natin ay rich in red fruits and vegetables at Super Reds has the highest amount. Everyone who has a heart needs Super Reds. Factor 4, top-selling product for advanced inflammation management. Kapag may chronic inflammation ka, it can lead to serious diseases like heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, kidney at liver disease. As we speak, mahigit 30 na ang health and wellness product ng Live Good. At lahat, malaki ang price difference with its closest competitors. Take note, hindi lang affordable ang product ng Live Good. Combined quality and affordability. Made in USA pa mga products natin. Manufactured in facilities that is strictly follow GMPG. Good manufacturing practice guidelines para sigurado na safe, pure at effective at third-party tested for purity and quality. Potency Plus qualified, certified pa. Pangalawa, no expensive monthly products or auto ship to earn commission. Walang forced buying of product. Bili ka ng product kailan mo gusto. Pangatlo, no team volume required to earn commission ng buong team mo at hindi porsadong bumili ng produkto. At pang-apat, Live Good is a real business and everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. Wala sa halaga ng package ang kikitain mo. Lahat pantay-pantay. At ang potential earning ng Live Good? Live Good is the new way of doing network marketing. It's an opportunity that makes sense. Kaya we are not surprised na in its 13 months, mahigit 1 million paid members ang sumali sa Live Good at umabot ng $100 million ang kanyang revenue. Live Good is revolutionizing the world of commerce. It's disrupting the $200 billion network marketing industry. It's a game changer. It's fixing a broken traditional network marketing. Sa isang negosyo, napaka-importante po ang timing at business model. Let's dig the deeper to club memberships. Familiar po ba kayo sa Costco, Netflix, Amazon, Prime, and Spotify, SNR, Landers. Lahat yan ay mga membership companies. Ang Costco ay may 20 million members. Netflix, 230 million members. Amazon Prime, around 200 million members. Spotify, 210 million members. Ilan lang po yan sa napakaraming club membership companies, pati car wash club membership na rin po. Ito ay nagpapatunay na ang club membership ay isang trend and people want more value for their money. Pag-usapan natin ang Costco, ang executive membership ng Costco ay $10 per month at $120 per year. Makakasave ka sa groceries, household items, gas at marami pang iba. Mag-shopping ka anytime you want. Ganyan din ang Live Good. You pay $9.95 per month or $99.95 for 1 year. You save 20% pag 1 year ang pinili mong option as a member ng Live Good. Mabibili mo po sa Live Good mga wholesale products ng supplements product and coming soon household products at skincare. And the plan is to have everything in the coming years, just like Amazon. Through club membership din ng Live Good, may malaking pagkakaiba sa Costco, Netflix, Amazon Prime at Spotify. Dahil Live Good is a club membership that pays. Sa mga gustong kumita, extra income man o full-time income, may 2 options to join. Option 1, one-time $40 affiliate fee and $9.95 members fee. For a total of $49.95. Option 2, one-time $40 affiliate fee. Plus $99.95, 1-year membership of a total of $139.95. Best value po yan kasi you save 20%, nakalibre ka na ng 2 months. Kapag nagawa mo yan, may access ka na sa mga products at wholesale price. Plus, may mga digital products ka like back office. Dito ka magla-login to check on products info, i-monitor ang growth ng business mo, mag-withdraw ng commission at marami pang iba. May mga different websites ka at pages na pwedeng i-share sa mga prospect mo. In 200 plus countries, you have all these online tools to build your Live Good business globally. Once na affiliate member ka na sa Live Good, ilalagay ka na system sa 2x15 matrix. This is how we build a team, spot surf field from top to bottom, left, right on a first come first serve basis. So the faster you take action, the better. Dahil matrix ito, walang leg to balance at walang flash out. Nasa system ka na pwede mong i-share ang Live Good online and offline para magka-income na. May 7 ways to earn pa tayo. Una, weekly fast start commission. 50% ang pwede mong kitain from all your personal enroll affiliates. Anyone na direct mo na nagbayad ng $49.95, may kita kang $25 or 1,375 pesos. Depende sa palitan ng dollars at peso. Paid up to 10 levels po yan. By zone rank. Unlimited ang pwede mong maging direct. Kaya, the more the better. Pangalawa, matrix commission. Paid monthly ito. Kikita ka ng 2.5% of $9.95. That everyone in your matrix pays. That's 0.25 cents or 13 pesos and 75 cents. Example, kapag may 50 members ka sa matrix, times 0.25 cents equals $12. 687 pesos po yun. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-build. At kapag umabot ng 500 members, may $125 ka or 6,875 ang matrix income mo. What if umabot ng 5,000 members times 25 cents and that's equivalent to $1,250 or 68,750 pesos? Matrix commission po yun. Pangatlong kitaan, matching bonuses. Kikita ka ng 50% sa lahat ng matrix commissions ng mga directs mo. Halimbawa, unang direct mo ay $100 matrix commission, may $50 ka na matching or 2,750 pesos sa kanya. Second direct, $300 ang matrix commissions, $150 ang matching bonus mo. Third direct, $500 ang matrix commission, may $250 ka. Unlimited ang pwede mong maging direct. Nasa sa yan kung gaano kalaki ang gusto mong matching bonus. Hindi lang sa direct ang matching bonus natin. May generational matching bonus pa at abot ng 70% additional. Bukod sa 70% additional matching bonus mo very deep in your team, fourth way to earn retail commissions, kikita ka ng as much as 50% sa mga bumibili ng products mo. Up to 10 levels ang kitaan. Pang 5th na kitaan, customer acquisition bonuses. Babayaran ka ng company sa lahat ng first order ng mga affiliates member mo. And up to 10 levels depending on your rank. 6th way to earn, influencer bonuses, additional income sa mga malalakas mag-retail online, TikToker, and finally, bonus pool, Diamond Affiliate, 2.5% ng total sales ng company. Take note, total sales ng company, hindi profit. Ito po ay evenly split. Sa lahat ng mga Diamonds affiliates, meaning kahit bago ka pa lang o dati ka na, parehas ang inyong share. First in the history of network marketing po yun. Second pool, Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% ng total company sales ay evenly split sa lahat ng Crown Diamonds. Finally, last part ng ating quick overview, top 4 reasons why you should seriously consider Live Good. Una, healthy, sustainable, and business model ng Live Good. It's the first club membership that pays. Buy products when you want to. Mas maganda na may freedom ka sa pagbili ng product at hindi ka forsado. Ang mga companies na nag-adapt ng club membership model ay patuloy na dumadami ang kanilang members at ang revenue ay patuloy na lumalaki. Pangalawa, sa panahon ngayon, we can leverage on technology at ma-spread natin ang ating business globally. Live Good ships to 240 plus countries and payment system is in place for both product purchase and affiliates commissions. Pangatlo, Live Good is a ground floor opportunity. Though umabot na sa 1 million plus ang paid members, marami pang hindi nauunawaan how powerful this opportunity. At marami pang walang idea. The whole world will know about Live Good. As we speak, 2 pa lang ang distribution centers. More will be open in Asia, Africa, and South America. And massive marketing is in motion to spread the word. And finally, mababa lang ang entry natin. $49.95 or $139.95 in 1 year. It won't break the bank. The masses can join and everyone has an equal opportunity to earn and succeed. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras. Please get back to the person na nag-share ng presentation natin. We love and welcome you in the team. God bless us all and see you at the top. Champ!